Hi friends, I hope you are doing great. I'm a little bit sick here, trying to recover to start the new year. I trust that you have started 2023 with peace and health. Today I want to share with you another one of my mini journals. This journal was created for a coworker that has lost a relative, and it differs from my other journals, my other mini journals, in the way that before I created them with envelopes, and I still do, but in this one I decided to create a signature. So this journal was created with only one signature and a crafting paper and some embellishments. So as you can see, it has a little angel here. It is like a wooden figurine, and I got this at the Dollar Tree. It was from their Christmas collection, but I bought it to use as embellishment for my journals. So I created some little polka dots in the wings to match the journal. So the spine here was reinforced with some burlap, also from Dollar Tree, and same thing for these butterflies. They come from the same store, and then the cover was made with cardboard, and then I added some crafting paper. So in the first spread, when you open it, I put a card there because everybody in the office is gonna write something for her. And then I used some of my coffee dyed papers for the signature, and these are some stickers from the dollar store. These are the Dollar Tree. These are press-on butterflies, and this ribbon here is also from Dollar Tree. Then in the second spread, I created like an embellishment. There's a video where I showed how I prepared this with my sewing machine. This is very simple, but it gives a little bit of color to any page. And this is a vintage card with the trees and the flowers. And then in the following page, I used one of my pockets. I have a video. I'm gonna try to attach it down below so you can see the video of all the envelopes that I created. And in here we have a butterfly, again from the Dollar Tree collection. And there's a tag here with more roses and a sentiment there. These are magazines cut out, and I aged the envelope, and then I created kind of a ribbon, but this is done with paper. And then when you flip it, I created two pockets with a transparent vintage card that my friend Tammy gave me, and so I created two pockets. Here we have a Bible quote, and here I have a note that I wrote for my coworker. But basically I created the pocket with a vintage card, one in each side. Then the following page, again a pocket, and it has a little card here. These cards, I bought a book at Ollie's, and it had a lot of little cards like this where you can write things, and some of them, they have quotes from the Bible. And I added a button here to create more texture in the page, and this ribbon is from Dollar Tree. Same with this pin and the stickers and this ribbon here. So it has plenty of space for everybody to write something there. Then we have the center page. I really liked the drawing that has the crafting paper has, and you can see the binding in there. So I decided to leave it just like it is so people can write in it. And it has this magnetic bookmarker, also from Dollar Tree, so it's both sided and it goes into the other spread. So this spread, I used washi tape from Dollar Tree, and this here I created like a little window. It has a real dried flower from one of my trees here in the backyard, and then what I did is I cut the window from the pasta box, and then I added some fabric behind, so there's a little window with the little dried flower. Then in the following one I decided to create some decoupage. So this napkin was provided to me by my friend Donna, so I decoupaged some blue roses, and this washi is the mini washi from Dollar Tree, and this is also from Dollar Tree. It's like I don't know how you call it, but it's like to put the cups on top. It was from their summer collection, but I like to add them into my journals, so I used some twine to put it there. And then we go into the other spread. This one is a pocket created with crafting paper and some lace or ribbon from Dollar Tree, and this is from the same booklet that I was telling you about at Ollie's. It also has stickers, but it has cards too, so it can be written, and it comes with the matching sticker. So on this side, this beautiful ribbon is from Dollar Tree. And then the last page, I added some sticky notes for her to use or mark this little journal. And again, I added some ribbon here. This is a super vintage card. And then again, I added some red ribbon that matches the roses. And this is a die cut that I did with my machine, and this is the journal. This is how it looks and how it's going to be presented. Oh, and then here on top, with the twine that was coming out of the journal, I added a little pom-pom. I thought it was so cute. I bought a bag of pom-poms at Dollar Tree. They have a bag, like it must have like maybe 30 or 40 pom-poms of different colors and different sizes, and I forgot I had it, and then I found it and I said I'm gonna add a pom-pom because it's so cute, and it has like kind of some golden threads in there, and it's beautiful. I think it makes it even cuter. So I hope you like the little journal, that it inspires you to create one. It's very simple. If you need instructions on how to bind it, I can gladly create a video. Let me know. It's very simple. I don't know why it took me so long to start binding. Somehow I thought I didn't have the needed material, but I had everything at home. It's very simple. Just subscribe to the channel and leave comments, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye.